Planted a few tomatoes so far, the Purons. It's all clover and radishes. Radishes to kind of break up the soil, and the clover will put nitrogen into the soil. Don't forget to put the collars on, the little paper around it. Don't forget the collars, because the cutworm will cut down your plants.
I already took the Purons out to the high tunnel, but I had to bring in the tomatoes these past 2 evenings because it was freezing temperatures. So today I'm getting the green light from Mother Nature, and I'm gonna gamble. I'm going to plant these in the greenhouse today. So I'm gonna start moving.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to plant the tomatoes, or how we do it. We kind of make the hole a little bit bigger than what the pot is. Come on here and get the plant out. Now I just put it in there. Remember, all those little hairs on the stem will turn into roots if they get in contact with soil. Then we'll kind of backfill it in, and of course we're gonna water this in. We'll get them all planted. Remember to water it in so it gets all the air bubbles out of the root system and out of so there's no air pockets, essentially. Now we'll take some paper, make sure it's not the shiny stuff that ads come in. It has to be that kind of matte finish, and then we'll wrap it. And that prevents the cutworm from cutting down our tomato plants after we planted them.